6 starts now.
Hi, everybody. Brookberry's off. I'm Chris Long. Today, in an Indio courtroom, the wife of a Riverside County District Attorney's investigator pleads guilty to gross vehicular manslaughter. Gina Garcia was driving under the influence when she hit and killed 18-year-old Danica Denton back in February. Denton's unborn child also died, but no charges were filed related to that death. KPSP Local 2 reporter and our legal analyst, David Wall, tells us now that part of the story has some people quite upset.
It sure does, Chris. The family of Danica Denton was outraged that a woman who was responsible for killing the pregnant 18-year-old was allowed to remain free today. They also wanted some answers as to why no charges were filed related to the death of Denton's unborn child. The emotions of what has been a volatile and controversial case exploded in the hallway at the Larson Justice Center as a fight broke out between the family of Gina Garcia and the family of the woman she killed. Inside the courtroom, Gina Garcia learned her fate.
Ms. Garcia is sentenced to state prison to the agreed-upon upper term of 10 years. Ms. Garcia is sentenced to state prison to the term of 5 years.
Judge Graham Cribbs added 5 years to Gina Garcia's sentence for a total of 15 years in prison after she pleaded guilty to gross vehicular manslaughter and leaving the scene of the crime. Danica Denton's family was in court and was shocked that no charges were filed for the death of Denton's unborn child, who was due just a week after Denton was killed. The judge also allowed Garcia to stay out of custody, possibly until August.
I'm angered. I'm mad. My daughter's not here. My grandson's not here. And she gets to go home and eat every day and get her hair done, and she thinks it's a joke.
Prosecutors could have filed 2 counts of second-degree or so-called Watson murder charges against Garcia because she has a prior DUI. The Attorney General's office tells KPSP Local 2 they chose to pursue a manslaughter charge because Garcia has led a relatively law-abiding life. That charge precludes prosecuting Garcia for the death of Danica Denton's unborn child.
How come they're not charging her with Watson murder? She said behind closed doors we was going to go for Watson murder. That's 30 years. Okay, and then we got here, everything changed.
Gotta feel bad for him. Chris, while the case is closed regarding the death of Danica Denton, it's possible that charges could still be filed in the death of her unborn child. That's something I'm investigating, and when I learn the answer, you'll be the first to know. Live in the newsroom, David Wall, KPSP Local 2 News. Chris?